Hello. You saw previously how to perform automatic data profiling and study the results using X88 Pandora. In this video, you will learn to interactively investigate your data, document your findings, and perform ad hoc data profiling. As you analyze data, you will discover things which you want to document. We saw previously that the values for customer ID have two different formats, one of which is very rare. This seems strange, so I'm going to create a note about this on the customer ID column. Each note has a category, subject, impact, both business and technical, and a description. Each note can also have associated evidence in the form of an attached drill down. In this case, I will attach the unique formats which we've just seen. The drop-down box lets me attach one of the list of active drill downs to the note. In my case, there is only one drill down on the list. Once I've saved the note by clicking on Create, its presence is visibly indicated on the column as a small pencil icon. Clicking on the pencil shows a list of all the notes for this column with information about each one, the subject, who created it, when, if it has an attachment, and so on. Double-click a note to open it for reading or modification. The attachment is a link to an actual drill down. Double-click on the name of the attachment to view it and continue the detailed analysis. Double-clicking brings me to the actual row of data containing the strangely formatted customer ID. This approach is much better than sending each other screenshots using email or leaving notes on a colleague's desk or screen. Notes can be exported individually or many at a time. They can also be searched. Notes can be created on any object in Pandora, and because they are associated with the actual data and are exportable, notes provide ideal documentation for the entire data analysis process. Let's continue our interactive analysis. Rather than look through all the detailed column profile information on the Explorer, we're going to use the column summary drill down for this table. Click on the icon to the left of the word columns on the Explorer. Pandora automatically provides a summary for each column in the table or file. From this screen, we will find, investigate, and document issues. By proactively providing data profile information, we're able to find issues we are not necessarily looking for. I'll hide the Explorer section of the Pandora interface so that we can see more information. I usually split this screen using the Split View button, giving us profile information at the top and a window for investigation at the bottom. Customer ID is not quite unique. As an analyst, I would therefore want to see the values which occur more than once. Right-click on the name of the column, View Values. The bottom half of the drill-down window shows us the same value frequency information we saw earlier. As before, I can sort on the column, which gives the number of rows where each value occurs. There are duplicates, so I could add a note to the column in the same way we saw earlier. There are other ways to use the columns drill down. Sort descending on the uniqueness percentage. Anything which is just less than 100% unique is suspicious. You can perform the same analysis on completeness, highlighting columns where there is usually but not always a value. The format count is useful for code values such as postcode. We can see that postcode has 41 different formats, which is higher than I would expect. Click right to view the format patterns. If I want to work in a larger window, I can clone the bottom half of the screen using the button on the drill down toolbar. That completes our analysis based on profiling statistics. Now let's perform ad hoc interactive analysis of customer data. View the rows for the customer table by clicking on the icon to the left of the word rows in the Explorer. I want to analyze UK postal codes, so I need to find the column containing the country name and filter out all the non-UK records. With Pandora, it's always easy to search and move to the column you want using the up arrow at the bottom left of the drill down. Right-click on United Kingdom in the country column. Filter, keeping selection. Pandora instantly filters out all but the United Kingdom customers. The number in the top right of the Pandora window informs me that I'm now looking at less than 70% of the records. For this subset of my data, I would like to analyze the format of the postcodes, so click right on the postcode column heading, Profile, Format Frequency. This instantly provides a profile of only this subset of data and has the performance and consistency advantages of not having to reread the original data source to do it. Those of you familiar with UK postal codes can see that the formats for our UK customers appear reasonable, except of course for the one format at the end of this list. You've now learned how to interactively investigate your data, document your findings, and perform ad hoc data profiling. Please refer to the integrated product documentation for more details and worked examples. In the next video, you will learn how to apply your own custom data profiling rules and produce a quality report using Pandora.